will be severely injured. Expect shattered windows, extensive damage to roofs, siding, and vehicles. Locations impacted include Mansfield, Burleson, Cleburne, Hillsborough, Keene, Joshua, Alvarado, Venus, Itasca, Grandview, Dudley, Bluff, Covington, Cross Timber, Cleburne State Park, Rio Vista, and Briar Oaks. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. A tornado watch remains in effect until 11 p.m. for north central Texas.